Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be flying in the Cessna 172 SP in, let's search. We are going to be flying it in LAX, or Los Angeles International Vortex, right here. And press start new route. Okay, so let's make sure everything is off right now, so I'm just going to do a preview on how I start the engine. So first thing I do is I turn on the power, avionics on, fuel pump, make sure the mixture is rich for starting the engine, beacon lights, landing light, taxi light, navigation, and strobe lights, and let's just get the engine started. Give it a bit of throttle to warm it up. Okay, good. Let's take a look at the outside. So make sure our rudder works. There we go. Our elevators work. And our ailerons work, along with our flaps. Okay, flaps work. Back into the cockpit view, take out the parking brake off, and make sure we stay in the middle of the runway by using our rudder pedals. So we're going to be taking off, landing in the Cessna, and also we're going to be doing some replays and maybe some barrel rolls. I'll teach you guys how to do barrel rolls and how to do a flip in the Cessna. So let's start off by doing a barrel roll. So let's climb up to around 1,000 or 4,000 feet. It's going to take a little bit, but let's just climb up to 1,000 feet. It has reached 1,500, and we're still going. So let's turn off autopilot, heading. Let's keep on climbing to around 2,000, and then we'll do our first barrel roll. I'll teach you guys how to do it. So we're just nearing the 2,000 feet mark, so we're going to turn off our pitch and take the autopilot away. So we're going to try to get as level as we can right now. So here, and then after you do that, you point the nose down, and then you bank by using some rudder pedal so that you do not crash. So we lost around 1,000 feet there in our little barrel roll. Now, if you pull up too high, the stall noise will come on. Oh, I guess not today. But you can see the sun. Right now it is noon. So you can pull up. That's the stall noise. So let's climb up to 2,000 feet on our altimeter again and wait for 2,000 feet, and then we will do a barrel roll. Let's do 2,500 feet this time since that was pretty close. So another thing I forgot to tell you guys was to lower the throttle before you start to do the barrel roll. So right now is about time. You want to lower the throttle so that the RPM does not go past the red line. So you want to try to keep it in the green zone. So point the nose down and start flipping. This is a very dramatic flip. We're going to crash. Okay, so let's do a runway 24R final. So let's start. So flaps to approach. You can use some more throttle if you want to go faster, but yeah, I'm gonna just do a little bit of a music right now and stop talking. Okay, so we are about to land. Because this plane is a Cessna, it does not need so much runway. So let's come in for butterization, or in other means that means slow and steady landing. So some throttle, start to pull back on the nose, and then ooh, that was hard. Okay, poor landing gear. RIP landing gear. So let's make our flaps go back to up. Okay. And idle. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.